Due to water damage, this phone does not charge in any way and has no input or output voltage. Here we find the exact location of the problem and teach you how to fix it. As you can see, the flex cable connecting the charging socket to the motherboard is sulfated due to water damage, and we will replace this socket without removing the screen from the housing. We use soldering paste to easily remove the socket. Note: insulate the battery, using fireproof glue, so that the heat does not damage the battery. Using special solder paste with a low temperature of 158 degrees, we rebuild the bases. Similar to the socket, we use old flex cables, and the best way to separate it is like the video you are watching now. Installing a new socket.